Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear lovely, smart, beautiful and intelligent students of class 3. And I am hoping that you all are waiting for your EVS lecture because you all are interested to learn something new and different in EVS. So once again, I Aarti Tiwari is here to make you learn something new and different, right? So today dear students, in my last lecture I told you that in the next lecture we will do the exercise of the chapter, right? So today I am going to write the new words of the chapter, then we will solve the entire exercise. So you all are ready with your pencil, with your notebook? All right. So this is my request to you to please write in beautiful handwriting. Okay, so shall we start? Chapter number 8, parts of a plant, and your heading is new words. Your heading is new words. Right? So we will start starting with number 1. Number 1, purify the air. Purify the air. The meaning of this word is to clean the air. Trees help our environment clean and green, and they are purifying the air. What are the polluted air is there in the surrounding, in the environment, that trees has the responsibility to purify the air, environment. Environment. Number 3, root system. Number 4, shoot system. Root system and shoot system. There are mainly two consist parts of a plant. Fibrous root. Fibrous roots. Roots have in bulk, in bunch, they are called fibrous roots. Tap roots. Tap roots. Few roots, it goes very deep into the soil with the main roots, that is called tap root. Trunk. Which elephant have trunk? Yes. Which animal have trunk? Yes, elephant have trunk. Trunk means trunk, which we are calling soond in Hindi. So big trees like neem, mango, banyan, they have trunk. Then trunk carries the branches. फिर उस trunk के अंदर बड़ी बड़ी टहनियों के अंदर branch होती है, right? Food factory. Which is the food factory for the plant? Leaf. Leaf is the food factory for plant. Stalk. Stalk in Hindi we all are calling dantal. Stalk means the part of a leaf. Number 10, blade. Here I am not talking about the blade which your papas are using to make shape. No, blade. Blade means the boundary of the leaf. Lamania actually, Lamania. Number 18, stomata. Through the stomata, every plant can breathe. We all are breathing through our nose. breathing. But when we will talk about the plants, through the stomata, plants can breathe. Vents. We human beings also have vents. Vents which we are calling nas in Hindi. You can see there are so many green vents in your body also. As like us, plants also carry the vents, but in the form of leaf. Leaf carry the vents. Right? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll, the color of leaf is always green because of chlorophyll only. Reproducing new plants. Reproducting new plants. Reproducting new plants. Seeds are the flowers. Some flowers and some seeds can reproduct the new plants. Suck nectar. फूलों का रस को चूसना. That loves butterfly. Fleshy. Fleshy part of the plant. Fruit. 14. Rat. Then 20. Number 25th. Sow. Sow the seeds. बोना. Sowing the seeds. बीज को बोना. Right. Number 26. Eatable. Eatable means खाने योग्य. So here I wrote the new words of chapter number 8, parts of a plant. There are 26 new words. Beta, sometimes some words you cannot understand nicely. That's why while writing I always recite the words. Whatever words I write, I always speak also. So number 1, purify the air. Number 2, environment. Number 3, root system. Number 4, shoot system. Number 5, fibrous root. Number 6, taproot. 7, trunk. 8, food factory. 9, stall. 10, blood. 17 number. Sorry, 6. I put wrong numbers. This is 11. This is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Sorry for the inconvenience. Number 10, blood. Number 11, lamina. 12, stomata. 30, veins. 14, chlorophyll. 15, reproducting new plant. 16, suck nectar. 17, fleshy part. 18, erect. 19, sow and 20, edible. Okay, so I am hoping that you took that screenshot. Otherwise, you can pause the screen and write it. Now, I am going to rub and we will do the next exercise. Alright, do with me. Beta, I have to do hurry because you can see only 3 lectures in a week. When you used to come to school, that time you have your EVS lecture regularly. रोज आपकी EVS की पढ़ाई होती थी जब स्कूल होता था. लेकिन अब कोरोना के कारण आपको सिर्फ एक हफ्ते में 3 लेक्चर ही देखने को मिलते हैं. इसलिए हमें थोड़ा सा फास्ट भी करना पड़ता है कई बार. राइट, सो I am hoping that you have your book is in your hand and I am going to take this exercise. Tick the correct option. Exercise number 1. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Okay, so let's see what is number 1. The plant consists parts, 4 parts and 2 parts. Option A 2 parts. Option B 3 and option 3 parts and option C 4 parts. So what is the right? Yes, option A is the right answer. Plant consists of mainly 2 parts, root system and shoot system. Let's see number 2. An example of plant having taproot is an example of plant having taproot. They are asking the example of the plant. Okay, so I will write options: A onion, option B wheat and option C neem. Which one is the example of root? हाँ, taproot का example क्या है? What is the example of taproot? Neem. So option C is the right answer, neem. Let's see number 3. An example of plant having fibrous root, having fibrous root is A mango, B people and C maize. So what is the example of fibrous roots? Fibrous roots are onion, wheat, maize. Maize is the example of fibrous roots. So number 3 is the right one. Number 4. Herbs have a number A green stem, number B brown stem, number C yellow stem. What is the right answer? Herbs always have green stem. Option A is the right one. Let's see what is number 4. They help the plant to breathe through stomata. They help the plant to breathe through stomata. So options are roots, option B leaves and option C stem. Which one is the right one? Yes, plants always breathe through the leaves, stomata. Leaves is the right answer. Okay, so I am not in front of the board. You can write the right one. I am going to rub the wrong answers. मैं wrong answers मिटा रही हूँ and right confusion. Right. So one वाले का A वाला right है. The plants consist of mainly two parts. An example of plant having tap roots, neem. An example of plant having fibrous roots, maize. Herbs have green stem. The help of plant to breathe through stomata, that is leaf. Right. So I am not in front of the board. Okay. Now it's time to do the second exercise. Let's see what is this. Name the following. Exercise number B. Name the following. Exercise number B. Name the following. It means आपको यहाँ पर इनके नाम लिखना है. क्या है ये? ठीक है. Number 1. The parts of the plant, that grow above the soil. The part of the plant that grow above the soil. What is the name of that part? The part of the plant that stem. Stem जो है वो मिट्टी के ऊपर रहती है. Right? So stem is the right answer. Number 2. The part of the plant that grow under the soil. What grow under the soil? Root. So the right answer is root. You will write root over here. ये आपको कॉपी में लिखना है. ठीक है. Exercise number B, you have to write in the copy. Food factory of the plant. Food factory of the plant. What is the food factory of the plant? Leaf. So right answer is leaf. All right. Number 4. Tiny pores in leaves. Tiny pores in leaves. What are the tiny pores? Tiny pores of the leaves. Cells. Or cells guard. Both you can write. Cells or cells guard. Number 5. The process of food by plant. The process of preparing food by plant. I told you foods or plant always prepare the food by using air, water, sunlight and carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. So what is the name of this process? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. This is the name of that process. Photosynthesis. So here I am completing exercise number B. Name the following. This exercise you have to write in the copy. And tiny pores in leaves, cells guard, or we can see stomata. These three answers are right. Okay, so cells भी right है, cells guard और stomata. In your book, stomata is given. आपकी किताब में स्टोमेटा दिया है तो हम यहाँ पर स्टोमेटा लिखेंगे. जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की सबसे स्मॉल यूनिट सेल्स होती हैं, वैसे ही प्लांट्स की भी सबसे स्मॉल यूनिट सेल्स ही होती हैं. Stomata is the right answer according to your book. Right? I am not in front of the board. You can take the screenshot. I will give only 10 seconds. The part of the plant that grow above the soil, मिट्टी के ऊपर stem होती है. The part of the plant that grow under the soil, roots. Food factory of the plant, leaf. Tiny pores in leaves, stomata. The process of preparing food by the plant, that is photosynthesis. Right? I am going to rub and we will do the next exercise. If I will take so many lectures for doing exercise, how I can complete my syllabus? I cannot complete my syllabus. That's why in one lecture I will complete the entire exercise. Okay, now exercise number C, write true or false. Exercise number C, true, false. True, false. Number 1. Climbers and creepers have a strong stem. Climbers and creepers have a strong stem. Strong stem. This statement is right or wrong? Completely wrong. False. They have soft stem. Roots. Number 2. Roots bear buds, leaves, fruits and flowers. This statement is right? Yes, this is true. Roots always bear buds, leaves, fruits and flowers. Number 3. Leaf is attached to stem with veins. Leaf is attached to the stem with veins. So this statement is false. Leaves is attached to the stem with veins. No, it is attached with stalk. Stalk यानी डंठल. The broad. The broad and flat part of the leaf is called chlorophyll. This statement again wrong, false. The broad and flat part of leaf is called leaf. Number 5th, the fleshy. The fleshy part of a plant is called what? It is called seeds. No, the fleshy part of the plant always is fruit. So this statement again false. गलत है ये भी, right? So here we are completing true and false. Number 1, climbers and creepers have a strong stem. False. Number 2, roots bear birds, leaves, fruits and flowers. Wrong. True. Leaves is attached to the stem with veins. False. The broad and flat part of the leaf is called chlorophyll. False. The fleshy part of a plant is called seeds. False. Right. So I hope you took the screenshot and I am going to rub and we will do the next exercise. Okay, the next exercise, write 2 examples of each of the following. जो भी चीजें दी है आपको उनके 2 एग्जाम्पल्स लिखने हैं, ठीक है. एक्सरसाइज नंबर डी का 1, फ्रूट्स विथ 1 सीड्स. फ्रूट्स विथ 1 सीड. कौन कौन से वो फ्रूट्स हैं जिनकी सिर्फ एक ही बीज होता है? मैंगो एंड plum. Mango and plum, they have only 1 seed inside it. Okay. Number 2, fruit with few seeds. Fruits with few seeds. Fruit with few seeds. Apple and orange. Apple and orange, they have few seeds inside it which we can count easily. Number 3, fruits with many seeds. Fruits with many seeds. What are the examples? Yes, watermelon and papaya. Watermelon and papaya. These are the examples. Right? Now we will write the question and the answers. What we will write? We will write the question and the answers. Okay, are you ready? having this, and we will write the question and the answer. Okay, so your heading is answer these questions. Answer these questions. Right, so let's see what is question number 1. What is the difference between a taproot and fibrous roots? Question number 1. What is the difference between a taproot and a fibrous root and a fibrous root? Okay, so let's see what is your answer. What are the difference between a taproot and a fibrous roots? Let's see the difference. The fibrous root occupies less surface area than taproot. Right? Taproot grows. This is the difference number 1. Difference number 2. Taproots grow vertically. Taproots grow vertically downwards and reaches deep into the soil. Right? Number 3, the fibrous roots grow horizontally in all the directions. And number 3, the fibrous root grow horizontally in all the directions. All the directions, and then doesn't reach, and then does not reach Okay, see dear students, there are only 4 questions and the answers. Question number 1 is quite bigger because here in the question asked about the difference. What is the difference between a taproot and a fibrous root? So different, जब हम किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अंतर बताते हैं तो वो थोड़ा बड़ा ही होगा. Don't tell me like that कि मैम ये आंसर बहुत बड़ा है, right? The fibrous roots occupy less surface area and then taproots. Taproots grow vertically downwards and reaches deep into the soil. Third, the fibrous roots grow horizontally in all the directions and then does not reach deep into the soil. Okay, this is question number 1. I am going to rub this and I will write number 2 and 3. Okay, question number 2. Write one functions of each of the following. Question number 2. Question number 2. Write one function of each of the following. Number A, root. What is the function of the root? Absorb minerals and waters. Absorb minerals and water from the soil. And hold the plant. This is the main function of the root. This is the main function of the root. And hold the plant. Okay. Number B, stem. What is the function of stem? Supplies food and water to all parts of the plant. Supplies food and water to all parts of the plant. This is the main work of stem. Supplies food and water to all parts of the plant. Number 3, leaves. Number C, leaves. Prepare food for plant. Prepare food for plant. Right? Now Question number 3. How do plants prepare food? How do plant prepare food? प्लांट फूड कैसे प्रिपेयर करता है? राइट, सो लीफ प्रिपेयर फूड. आंसर नंबर 3. लीफ prepare food for the plant with the help of air, water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. And chlorophyll. So leaves prepare the food for the plant with the help of air, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. बेटा सनलाइट वाला पोर्शन यहाँ पर दिख नहीं रहा है, इसलिए मैं सनलाइट यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. Leaves prepare food for the plant with the help of air, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, now question number 4. Write the functions of flower. For writing question number 4, I have to rub question number 2. I am not in front of the board. Take the screenshot. I will rub both the answers. Otherwise, pause the screen and write. Last answer. Question number 4 is remain. Write the functions of flower. Write the functions of flower. Question number 4. Write the function of flower. So the functions of flowers are answer number 4. Flowers produce seeds. Flowers produce seeds and help in reproducing new plants. Some flower grow into nectar from the flower. Right, so here all the exercise of chapter number 8 are completing. All the exercise of chapter number 8 we are completing over here. Right? Only the little hand work and the project work. Collect 5 different kinds of flowers, dry them and paste in your scrapbook. यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया है कि अलग अलग तरीके के फूल को सुखाएं और अपनी स्क्रैप बुक में पेस्ट करें. ठीक है, अगर आप ये करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं, मेरी तरफ से कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं है. नंबर बी, लेट्स डू इट. टेक अ स्टेम ऑफ मनी प्लांट हैविंग फ्यू लीव्स and roots, keep it into the bottle. Take a stem of money plant. मनी प्लांट की एक स्टेम लो, having few leaves, जिसकी थोड़ी सी लीफ भी हो और रूट भी हो. Keep it in the bottle, और उसको बॉटल में रखो, filled with the water, और उसमें पानी डाल दो. Keep the bottle at the place, और बॉटल को प्लेस पे रख दो. Where it can receive fresh air and sunlight. आपको उसे खुली जगह पे रखना है जहां से वो सनलाइट और एयर दोनों ले सके. आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज यू विल एब्जॉर्व दैट द लीव्स हैव ग्रो इन द नंबर ऑफ साइज. कुछ दिन के बाद आप ये अनुभव करेंगे कि जो लीव्स हैं वो बढ़ी हैं, साइज में भी बढ़ी है और उनके नंबर्स भी बढ़े. यू विल ऑल्सो नोटिस दैट इवन द रूट्स हैव बिकेम लॉन्गर. और आप ये भी देख पाओगे कि उनकी रूट्स भी बहुत लंबी लंबी हो गई हैं. सो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रूट्स आर दीज. और साथ में ये जानने की कोशिश भी करनी है आपको कि किस तरह की रूट्स हैं. तो ये वाला वर्क तो मैं आपको दे रही हूँ करने के लिए. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी आपका होमवर्क है. आपको एक बॉटल लेना है, प्लास्टिक की या कांच की, दोनों चलेगी. आपको मनी प्लांट की एक स्टेम लेना है. उस स्टेम में थोड़ी सी रूट्स भी होनी चाहिए और थोड़ी सी पत्तियां भी होनी चाहिए. आप उसको बॉटल के अंदर रखेंगे और उसके बाद पूरी बॉटल में पानी डाल देंगे और उसको ओपन प्लेस पे खुली जगह में रखेंगे. फिर वहाँ पर आप जो भी उसमें अंतर आता है वो आप जो देखेंगे वो मुझसे शेयर करिएगा कि रूट्स का साइज बढ़ा, लीव्स का साइज बढ़ा, नंबर ऑफ लीव्स बढ़ी. ठीक है, और उसमें कौन सी रूट आई है, टैप रूट आई है कि फाइब्रस रूट आई है, ये भी आपको पता चलेगा. ठीक है, तो ये आपको घर पे करना है. और नंबर सी, थिंग्स टू डू. वी सेलिब्रेट वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे ऑन 5th June एवरी ईयर. 5th June को वी ऑल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे. प्लांट अ फ्यू सैपलिंग at your home and in your nearby park on that day. Look after the plant as it grow into a tree. You can feel proud and good that you have contributed in the making of environment clean and green. See dear students, every year on 5th June we all are celebrating World Environment Day because it is necessary to us to save our environment, right? So for that you have to grow some plants. When you will see that plant grow into in front of your eyes, you feel very happy. Okay, now यहाँ पर लास्ट वाली दी है लाइफ स्किल. द बेस्ट गिफ्ट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड बर्थडे विल बी चॉकलेट, टॉय और प्लांट. आपके दोस्त के जन्मदिन पे सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट क्या है? चॉकलेट है, टॉय है या प्लांट है? सो ऑब्वियसली अनडाउटेडली प्लांट. इफ यू uproot a plant from your green garden for your school activity, how you will replace it? Will not care for it, will plant another sapling in place of it. क्या करेंगे आप? Take 3 or 4 post pour soil into them separate. आपको क्या करना है? आपको एक एक्टिविटी और दी है यहाँ पर. आपको एक पॉट लेना है, उस पॉट के अंदर सॉइल लेना है, मिट्टी लेना है, एंड मस्टर्ड बीन्स इनटू द पॉट. मस्टर्ड यानी सरसों, राई सबके घर में होती है, वो आपको स्पॉट के अंदर राई के बीज बिखेर देने. ठीक है, वाटर एंड सॉइल टू मोस्ट इट लुक द पोस्ट. और आप क्या देखेंगे? 3 से 4 दिन के बाद आपको उसमें से सरसों निकली हुई नजर आएगी. सो ये 2 एक्टिविटी आपको करनी है. एक मनी प्लांट वाली जिससे आप क्या कौन सी रूट्स है ये पता कर पाएंगे, और दूसरी ये मस्टर्ड वाली. कुछ नहीं करना है, छोटा सा पॉट लेना है, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही करवा चौथ गई है। करवा चौथ पर सारी मम्मियाँ करवे खरीदती हैं, तो आपको पॉट खरीदने के लिए बाजार भी नहीं जाना है। आप उस करवे के अंदर थोड़ी सी मिट्टी भरना और मम्मी से थोड़ी सी राई सरसों मांगना और उसके ऊपर डाल देना, और लेकिन उसमें कंटिन्यू पानी देना और उसको सूरज की रोशनी में रखना। आप देखेंगे कि आपको उसमें एक नया प्लांट मिल जाएगा सीड से। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एक्सरसाइज एंड ऑल द एक्टिविटीज। 2 एक्टिविटी आपको करनी है, एक मनी प्लांट वाली, एक मस्टर्ड वाली, ठीक है। एंड आप चाहें तो मुझे फोटो और वीडियो भी भेज सकते हैं। सो टिल देन, बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। एंड अथर्व, सुकेश, काविश and Sarvil Dindorkar, these 3 students of class 3, they always sending me their photos, videos and all these things. So I am hoping that you all will inspired with them and you all will do the different work and send me. Okay, so bye bye.